Assalamu alaikum students. So today we are going to start about the famous Muslim scientist, their achievements in science and the work and development they have done for the Muslim society. So the first we are going to discuss about the Al-Khwarizmi. One of the first directors of the House of Wisdom in Baghdad in the early 9th century was an outstanding Persian mathematician known as Muhammad al-Khwarizmi. He oversaw the transition of the major Greek and Indian mathematical and astronomy works. The word logarithm is derived from the Latinization of his name, and the word algebra is derived from the Latinization of al-Jabr. His most important contribution to mathematics was his strong advocacy of the Hindu numerical system, which Al-Khwarizmi recognized as having the power and efficiency needed to revolutionize Islamic and Western mathematics. Al-Khwarizmi wanted to go from the specific problems considered by the Indians and Chinese to a more general way of analyzing problems. His book is considered the foundation text of modern algebra. The book provided an exhaustive account of solving polynomial equations up to the second degree and introduced for the first time the fundamental algebraic methods of reduction, completion, and balancing. Al-Khwarizmi developed a formula for systematically solving quadratic equations by using the methods of completion and balancing to reduce any equation to one of 6 standard forms, which were then solvable. He described the standard forms in terms of squares, roots, and numbers. Al-Khwarizmi is usually credited with the development of lattice multiplication method of multiplying large numbers. Now the new Muslim scientist is Al-Biruni. Al-Biruni was an outstanding astronomer, mathematician, physician, geographer, geologist, and historian. According to Max Merhoff, Al-Biruni is perhaps the most prominent figure of those universally learned Muslim scholars who characterize the golden age of Islamic science. He studied Arabic, Islamic law, and several branches of knowledge. Al-Biruni was all of the view that whatever the subject, one should use every available source in its original form, investigate, and available work with the objective scrutiny and carry out research through direct observation and experimentation. His great contribution in so many diverse fields earned him the title Al-Ustada, the master or professor. Al-Biruni's contributions are so extensive, his scientific work combined with the contributions and other Muslim scientists laid down the early foundation of modern science. He discovered 7 different ways of finding the direction of north and south and observed mathematical techniques to determine exactly the beginnings of the season. Al-Biruni discussed that the earth rotated on its axis and made accurate calculations of latitude and longitude. These observations are contained in his book of Al-Athar al-Baqiyah. Al-Biruni was also the first to conduct and elaborate experiments related to astronomical phenomena. He stated that the speed of light is immense as compared with the speed of sound. On the solar eclipse, which he observed at Lamha, a valley surrounded by mountains between the towns of Kandahar and Kabul, he wrote, "At sunrise, we saw that approximately 1/3 of the sun was eclipsed and that the eclipse was waning." He worked on shadows and chords of circles and developed a method. He elaborated on the principle of position and discussed the Indian numerals. His book Al-Athar al-Baqiyah fi Qanun al-Kahliya deals with ancient history of geography, and it was translated by Edward Sachu. Al-Biruni observed that flowers have 3, 4, 5, 6 or 18 petals, but never 7 or 9. Al-Biruni is most commonly known by his association with Mahmud Ghaznavi, a famous Muslim king who also ruled India, and his son Sultan Masood. Impressed by his scholarship and fame, Sultan Mahmud Ghaznavi took Al-Biruni along with him in his journeys to India several times. Al-Biruni wrote his famous book Al-Qanun al-Masudi fi al-Haya wa al-Najm. This book was written after he returned from India and was dedicated to Sultan Masood. Al-Biruni is considered as one of the greatest scientists of all times. He said, "My experience in the study of astronomy and geometry and experiments in physics revealed to me that there must be planning of mind, unlimited power. My discoveries in astronomy showed that there are fantastic intricacies in the universe which prove that there is a creative system and a meticulous control that cannot be explained through sheer physics and material causes." That's all for today, children. Thank you.